Big news from Massachusetts. Governor Healey has just signed a bill introducing sweeping changes to the state's adult-use cannabis industry. This new legislation is set to transform the Massachusetts cannabis landscape for both consumers and businesses. Let's take a look at the major changes. Governor Healey put her signature on this bill, enacting significant reforms that address various aspects of the adult-use market, from personal limits to licensing structures. The core of this bill brings about 4 major shifts in how cannabis is regulated and consumed in Massachusetts. The first set of changes focuses on both personal possession and purchasing limits, as well as retail license concentration. The new law immediately doubles the personal possession limit for adult-use cannabis, providing consumers with greater flexibility. In addition to possession, the bill also doubles the amount of cannabis an individual can purchase in a single transaction. For businesses, the number of retail licenses that can be held by a single entity has also been doubled, potentially leading to larger retail chains and greater market consolidation. The second major change introduces 3 brand new license types to diversify the market and expand consumption options. These new license types cover research, on-site consumption establishments, and consumption at designated events. The introduction of research licenses aims to foster scientific advancement and better understanding of the plant and its effects. On-site consumption licenses pave the way for venues where adults can legally consume cannabis products outside of private residences. Furthermore, event-based consumption licenses will allow for regulated cannabis consumption at temporary, permitted gatherings and festivals. The final major component of the bill involves structural changes to the state's cannabis regulatory body. The bill mandates the downsizing of the Cannabis Control Commission, or CCC, reducing it to just 3 members. This reduction aims to streamline the Commission's operations and potentially accelerate decision-making processes within the state's regulatory framework. These extensive changes mark a new chapter for the Massachusetts adult-use cannabis industry. The bill promises greater consumer access, new business opportunities in research and hospitality, and a more streamlined regulatory body. Stay informed on how these changes will unfold and shape the future of cannabis in the Commonwealth.